Girl, why am I so awkward? This is embarrassing. Hey guys. So it's been a while. We're gonna do my winter makeup routine. So let's just pretend the last like 6 months I have been uploading consistently. Thank you. So I change my makeup routine like all the time. So I'm just gonna like say other things that I would do. But first, always moisturize. I already washed my face and moisturized with my regular moisturizer, but I go in with, I love when it doesn't shut actually. Y'all don't mind the extensions please. Anyways, but I go in with this. It's the Central Moisturizing Cream. I don't know if you're supposed to use this on your face, but I do. And I have really sensitive skin and it doesn't break me out. Whoa, I don't think I need primer today because that was a lot. Typically, I've been using this one sometimes, the e.l.f. Power Grip, the 4% niacinamide. But sometimes I just spray Wise Lights being crazy. Can it stop actually? But sometimes I just spray on some Milani Make It Last. My skin is super moisturized, so I don't think I'm gonna use either actually. If I go in with foundation, it's typically the Maybelline Fit Me. Why won't it let me be Beauty Guru moment? Let's just go in with a bit of it, just a little. Oh, that's kind of a bit. I didn't do my eyebrows. Usually I do my eyebrows before anything. Apparently I thought I wasn't gonna do full face. We are. Okay, so look crazy actually. I'm house sitting for, I guess you could call them my boyfriend's family at the moment. So I'm in his room. He's away at his aunt's. So this background would not be my usual background, but I can't ever record at home because I just live in a really loud house. I'm gonna go in with Incognito concealer from Wet n Wild. Anyways, I'm going in with my same Betty Boop beauty blender. Usually I don't wear the foundation a lot, but I will just take this and use like a buttload of it, just like like I'll use a lot. I just have the Got2b stuff in this little jar thingy. I don't color in my brows or anything. Just try to get like the front to stick up, but then the rest to be like snatched. The e.l.f. Halo Glow Contour. I use this all the time. My boyfriend got it for me. Y'all are right about this applicator. Look at it. What is happening? Anyways, I used to never be a contour person, but recently I've been doing like the, and then I just add a little up here. I've always done my nose though, so okay. And I just do that for my nose. And I just use a brush like this. I just got like a pack of brushes like this. They have like names on them from, I think it was Marshalls or TJ Maxx. But I just pat it in. I'm just gonna go on to my nose now. I just use this brush, same pack from TJ Maxx. And I just pat it in right there. For up here, I drag it up. And yeah, I don't do bronzer. I don't really like warming up my face too much. But I love blush. So, I'm not gonna lie to you, I really am in desperate need of a blush brush because this is from Dollar Tree, Wet n Wild, and it's so full of it's actually gross. Anyways, I'm gonna go with the, I think it's Very Well. Their blush, I forgot exactly the name of it, but you only need literally the mustard seed of this. I like to have it high on my cheekbones, and I'm just gonna use my finger for this. Today we're gonna be fun. We're gonna add a little bit of shadow to my eye today. I say that because I don't usually add any type of shadow to my eye, like ever. But I think I'm gonna go for this like caramel color up there. Just adds a little dimension, I guess. I don't know. Okay, we're gonna curl them. I seriously need a different eyelash curler. This one is from the Dollar Tree. Okay, it's not giving. Before I put on mascara, I'm gonna put on this black eyeliner. It's from Isme, New York? Isme, New York? I don't know, I'm so sorry. This is my sister's. I kind of stole it, I'm not gonna lie. Then, everyone's drugstore favorite, this mascara. Maybelline Lash Sensational. Anyways, I don't know about like the high-end girlies like for makeup, but like I would love to get like the Fenty Beauty highlighter. I think it's so pretty, except I'm broke, so it's all drugstore for me. Okay, like actually I ordered from Ipsy. They might give me a little something, guys. Okay, it's a little clumpy at the bottom on this side. Maybelline like Sky High that I used to use, and it's like barely any product. I just like go like that. And then usually right here, if I want more blush, I just go in with a little more of that, but I'm just gonna go in with like the extra product I might have on here. I really need a powder blush at the moment so that I can go over it. Let's go in with powder right now. So I take the Fit Me powder and then I just pat it everywhere pretty much. I do press powder on my eyes first and then loose. I feel like it helps it a lot more. I forgot setting spray. Okay, usually before powders, I would set my face with a setting spray to set all the creams, but I didn't, but it's okay. I have a different one, random one from Marshall's, and this is what I use for the baking powder. I also use the Fit Me, and this is where I just bake like my nose area. I like to brighten up under my eyes, so I just go in like that. Then I take the butt end of it and just make sure it's not, you know. And I'll do that maybe under my chin, a little on my forehead. Actually, bake right here. So I'm just gonna pat it out. Now that I'm done with that, if I go in with something for my lips, it's usually just the NK Makeup grapefruit shade, and I just use that. But I think today my most viral short has like my eyebrow liner and my blush as a lip combo, so we're just gonna do that. And I thought it actually was really cute. I want to get like a pinky lighter shade for my lips so that I can do more of a natural, but for some reason in the winter I just want to do like full faces all the time. I'll just take that, like that much. And now I'm just gonna go in with my grapefruit shade. And that's a lip combo. Just one last thing, I need my highlighter. I just recently got this one from, you guessed it, Marshall's or TJ Maxx. And it's this one, it's the Rude Baked highlighter. I've never heard of the company, if I'm honest. Seen it and it's really sparkly, and who would say no to that? So, I'm gonna add it to the tip of my nose and the bridge of my nose. And I don't know how many people do this, but I like adding it to the arch of my eyebrow. And let's add it to my inner corner. And then for like my cheekbones over here, I just get my finger and I just go in and I go like this, because it's really powdery, so you can just go like that. I like it a lot for matte looks. In the summer, I really go for like a glowy, dewy type of look, but winter is all about matte for me. I don't know how that correlates in any way, but I don't know. This is how I like it. So at the end, I might like go in again with my eyelash curler, just to really emphasize on the curl. Anyways, sorry if this video was a bit of a mess, but I'm at my boyfriend's right now, and so currently this is what my makeup looks like. Yeah, we're not gonna talk about it, okay? So this is the end result. This is what I typically go for during winter. So yeah, I hope you guys like it, and I'm really, really happy to be posting again. I'm sorry, this is probably a really short video, but I was really just trying to get something out there because I feel like I owe it to you guys. I owe you guys a long form video because y'all have been so nice and so supportive, and I'm so thankful for you guys so much. Here's a look. She's cute. She's alright. She's giving. But anyways, I love you guys so much. Have an amazing, have a blessed day. Jesus loves you so much, and so do I. Goodbye.